Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a salsa workout. We are going to build the steps dance by dance, and then by the end we'll have one big salsa routine. Our new step-by-step program is now available, so if you would like more information, click the link in the description below. Alrighty guys, we are gonna start off with a basic step, and then we're gonna go into a reverse basic. Get ready, 5, 6, 7, go. Keep it up. And 5, 6, 7, 8, forward. We're gonna do the side. Very good. We're gonna go side and cross in front. Get ready. Side, cross in front. 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 Now bring it back. 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 Let's repeat that again. Side and forward. Now bring it back. We're going to do a cross basic. Forward. Side. Back. Side. Let's repeat. Back to that basic. Let's go. Five, 6, get ready. Reverse basic tap, other side. Get ready. Tap, side basic, go. We're gonna do side, cross, forward. Here we go. Cross it back. Very good, guys. We are moving along. We're gonna start with that cross basic. Get ready. And 5, 6, 7, go. Do it again. We're gonna go side and cross back. Side cross back. And side cross forward. Let's repeat that again. Side and back. Side and forward. Now side basic. And go forward with that right. Very good. We're in this reverse basic. Get ready. 5, 6, 7. Tap, switch it. Regular basic. So if you noticed, we just went backwards. So now we're gonna go back to that cross basic. Go. Do it again. Side and cross back. Side and cross forward. Do it again. Side basic, go. We're gonna tap, do a reverse basic, go. Tap, regular basic. Back to the cross. Do it again. Very good, guys. Alrighty. Now, brand new set of steps. Get ready. We are going to start with a basic and taps. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Do it again. Last one. After this, we're going to do crossovers with swivels. Get ready. Crossover, swivel. We're going to change to the other side. Go. Get ready. Change into the Susie Q. Very good, guys. Keep this up. Basic with the taps. Basic with the taps, go. Crossover. Switch to the other side. Alrighty, guys. Again, working backwards. We have our continuous side break. We're going side to side. 5, 6, 5, 6 to the side. Basic with the taps. Susie Q. Repeat. Get ready. We're gonna switch our side. We go cross. Last one. Switch sides. Last one, basic with the taps. cross over with that right foot. Get ready. Go. Last one. Cross to the other side. Basic with the sides. And to the side. Forward. Taps. Last one. Susie Q, go. Get ready. Cross, go. Last one. Other side. Basic with the taps. Very good. Ready, guys? We have come to our final salsa. We're taking all of those steps and putting it into one big routine. Get ready. We are starting with the basic step. 5, 6, basic step. Here we go. Tap other side, reverse. And tap to the side, go. Get ready, side cross forward. Side cross back. Repeat. Get ready, we're gonna do a cross. And continuous break to the side, go. Get ready? We're gonna do that basic with the taps and go. Last one, Susie Q, go. Last one. Crossover, swivel. Last one, other side. Last one, ready? We go. Step tap. Keep this up. This is the last one. Back to that basic, go. Side basic. We're gonna go back to that reverse basic, go. Reverse basic. Get ready, side and cross forward, go. Side and cross back. Side basic, go. Basic with taps, go. Very good. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.